Yeah. Deal. These are not even more than $5. Super hard to see it.
No, I can't see it. I look weird. You killed my video.
I'm made for that.
You always photo bomb everything. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it on Facebook. Go get wet.
I'm getting wet. I'm the library.
I can't see you. Haha.
Go play.
Never eat chips. Kevin just stole my child's chips.
Yes, I just did.
It's better.
They're freaking good.
A ver, what kind are they? A ver, mama. Churritos. Kevin's new favorite chip.
Not really.
I'm gonna go get with you guys.
I stick with hot Cheetos.
Ew.
You gonna get wet? I'll be that. Oh no. Look at that beautiful mommy over there. She's about to get wet. After a big ass argument, I love seeing her happy after. Oh, no. If I would have had shorts. Grow up, little girl. Like, I'm kidding. I was just a joke.
Come here, Destiny.
Why are you crying?
Come here, Destiny. Come get the towel.
Get more wet. Lay down right there. Lay down. Lay down.
No, because it's gonna get wet. Say shut up. My phone.
You should hear what I said.
I was hearing you say something, but I'll listen to it later. Come here, Destiny. She's pissed. Let's look at her reaction.
Oh, you want some chips?
You want some chips, Destiny? You want to go home?
No, she wants to go. She got all wet, that's why.
Come here. Oh, sister. It's fucking wet.
She got all wet, that's why.
Aww.
Oh, pure little penguin.
Come here. You don't want to get wet no more? Let's sit you in the sun. Let's just sit in the sun. It's cold. Come on, dude.
Where?
In the sun.
Mm.
It's cold.
What, do I end it now or what?
Yeah.